to post live photos on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the plus button at the bottom. After you're in here, click on the photos icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here you will find all your photos, and you'll also find your live photos in here. Simply click on the live photo that you want to post. Then press on next at the bottom right. Here on the top right corner of your screen below the gear icon, you will find a live icon. You can simply click on it and it will be video instead of photo, which is the live option. You can simply click on it and it will turn. And after that, you can press on next and post. This is how to post live photos on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.